Yeti and Friends is a wonderful primary course that moves both teaching and learning English to a totally different level. It engages students' emotions, it engages movement, it makes learning English simply fun.
Yeti is the main character of the book and he's a bit goofy. Every time he gets into trouble, he gets help from his friends. This is how we teach students values like trust, kindness, friendship, teamwork. It's a great way to teach our students values that they are maybe missing out in today's world.
Our students nowadays, Generation Alpha students, they are surrounded by social media contents, short videos, short movies, stories. So we need to teach them the way they need. We need to teach them through telling stories, and that's what Yeti and Friends does, teaching children through stories.
Every lesson has a story, begins with a story. This is how we introduce the language, but also this is how we introduce our students to all the values that we want to teach them. At Hamilton House, we strive to provide you with the best quality teaching materials.
Because we love teachers.